Carlton Stump Grinder come in. It's got runtime on it. The belts are stretched. To show you that, you can engage the cutter wheel handle 2 fingers. We know the belt's stretched. We're going to do the proper adjustment on it this way. So start by unlocking it. Pull the handle about halfway up. 3/4 wrench. Break this jam nut loose. Locking rod. Pull the pin. Pull the locking rod out of the way, just let it hang. Break the jam nut loose on the linkage. Remove the clip and pin out of it. Since the belt is stretched, what we're going to do is lengthen this linkage. I'm going to screw out a few rounds. That's what you want to feel for right there. A good lock in place, snaps. Familiarize yourself with how this feels. Your Carlton Stump Grinder, we set factory with all the belts set properly. If you get this feel every time, then you're good. So go back to disengage. Take your locking rod, push the key stop that's here up against this plate. Readjust the yoke until you can get the pin back in it. Just going to bring it back up and make sure everything stays properly aligned. Reinstall your clips and tighten your jam nut. Check. It's good. It's disengaged. It's locked out. You cannot engage it.